Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a present folding surprise. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're gonna do a Christmas folding surprise. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you now can follow me in Instagram. I have new content there. Now let's start with this picture. We're gonna start doing the lid of the present. I wanna leave about 3 finger space on this side, and I'm gonna do a line that goes up. And on the other side, the same, 3 finger space, and then we're gonna do a line that goes up. And I wanna try to make my lines look the same height. And then we're gonna rotate a little bit of paper and we're gonna join them on the top. Remember that you can use a ruler if you want for this step. I'm just pressing the marker against the paper and that allows me to go a little bit more straight. Now we're gonna do the bow. I'm gonna go in the middle of this line and I'm gonna make a half a circle. And on top of this half a circle, we're gonna do 2 upside down U's that are gonna be long on each side of the circle. And now we're gonna do a second one. This one is gonna start here going really close to the first one, but when we get to the top, it's gonna start separating, going away and connect with the lid. We're gonna repeat the same on the other side, like that. Now we're gonna do the bottom of the present. We're gonna leave about a finger space and we're gonna trace a line that goes down. Okay, and I wanna try to make another one the same finger space, and I'm going down. Okay. And now we're gonna join these 2 from side to side. The same thing, you can use a ruler if you want to, like that. Now we're gonna do the ribbon that comes from the bow, and I'm just gonna go from this corner down, crossing the folding part and connect with the bottom. And the same thing here. There. Now we are gonna open the paper, and the first thing we're gonna do is the bottom part. We're gonna cross this folding part. I'm gonna go over a little bit more than half of this part. Now let's repeat that on the other side and try to make your lines kind of like the same height. So now I want to do a little line that goes in here a little. It's a very short line. And after that line, we're gonna do 2 circles. They're gonna be the paws of this kitten. And we're gonna do 1 and 2 lines on each paw. Now we're gonna imagine that this line goes in behind the paw and cross to the other side. Okay. Now that we have this line, we can connect these bow lines going up, like that. Next, we're gonna do the face of the kitten. So we're gonna go from the paw, crossing the folding part and curving up. On the other side, the same, going from the paw, crossing the folding part and going up. And I'm gonna try to make them the same distance. Now before I do the ears, we're gonna finish the lid up here, and I'm just gonna cross the folding part a little bit. And I wanna connect these 2. We're also gonna cross these lines. There. Now we can do the ears. These are gonna be like A shapes. They're gonna be round on the top. We're gonna go up, round, and back down. And I'm gonna stop way before I get to this line. We're gonna stop up here. We're gonna go up, round, and come back down. And now on this top part, we're gonna do a line that cross from side to side. just like that. Now it's time to make the face of the kitten. We're gonna go over the fold and we're gonna do a triangle shape, a small triangle shape here, and I'm making a U shape on each side. Now you're gonna leave about a finger space here, and we're gonna do an oval shape, and this oval shape is over the crease of the paper, the folding part here, and we're gonna fill this one with black, and the same on the other side, about a finger space and then an oval shape. Now here on the top of his head, I want to make 3 U shapes. You can change the look of your kitten. You can make different patterns or different shapes on his face so your kitten looks different than mine. Now we're gonna do the whiskers, and I want to start here on the fold doing a horizontal line. Okay, and we're gonna do 2 diagonal lines, one on the top and one on the bottom, like this. And there, that's it. We finished. This little kitten is hiding in a present. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my present look in the outside. Remember, you can change all these colors and you can add more details to your picture. Now let's check how it looks in the inside. And here's this kitten that is ready for Christmas. I choose to color him gray, and when this color was dry, I went over again with the same color and I color more in the edges of the picture, and this make look the kitten a little bit more 3D. I also add these highlights here with a white crayon, or you can use a white color pencil as well. That will work too. I add some in his head, underneath the eyes, and a little bit down here. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.